Hello, my friends. My name is Galina. I'm glad to welcome everybody at our online webinar, which will be devoted to the high level of service at BST company. During this online webinar, you can ask any questions. You can write them in the comments, and in the end of the webinar, I'll be able to reply to all of your questions. So, as I told you, our webinar will be devoted to services that our company provides to our customers. We value our reputation and professionalism, so we make every effort to ensure that our company and our customers are satisfied working with us. So we want our customers to return and buy more from us, and we want our customers recommend our company to their friends and partners. So let's start. Here you can see the plan of online webinar. First, we'll talk about personal managers that work at our company. Then I will describe how the process of selection of drilling rig is going on according to individual project of every customer. Also, I will tell you how we provide online support from drilling site to all of our customers and regular clients. I will explain how we arrange the visit of the company facilities and few words about cultural program that we arrange for all visitors. We'll talk about training that BST company provides to all customers. I will explain how you can get contract drillers for long-term projects from our company. We'll talk about methods of payments, and you will see how our company provides the detailed information, updates, and the news about everything what's going on at our company through social media. And in the end of the webinar, I will tell you about special offer that is running right now until the end of March. So, and you will learn how to get 5,000 US dollars discount from our company. So stay with us until the end. And if you have any questions, as I told before, write them in comments. We'll reply immediately. Let's start. Here you can see if you visit our website, you will be able to find contact details, and you will see all managers who work at our international department. Personal manager processes every incoming requests. As you can see, we have several people who represent international department of BST company. Probably everybody know Dennis. Most of our audience right now know him because he does overviews at our Facebook page, lots of videos of overviews and updates at YouTube channel. Plus, he's the head of our international department. He speaks English and a bit Spanish. So all incoming requests from English English-speaking countries, and Spanish or Latin America comes to him. You know me, Galina. I have many incoming requests, mostly from English-speaking countries. Saad is our specialist who works with Arabic and French-speaking countries. Originally, he is from Algeria, but he has a degree in geological survey and mining, so he's experienced in drilling. So if you have any questions, but you don't speak or don't want to speak English, you can contact him anytime. Also, we have Diego. He joined our team recently. You must already seen him at our YouTube channel, because he already made several overviews of different drilling rigs. He mostly works with requests coming from Latin America and Spanish-speaking customers. And originally he is from Ecuador. As you can see, our team is multinational. We work with each customer individually. So if you have any questions, please contact us directly, and be sure that every request will be answered as quickly as possible. And personal manager, if you start to work with one manager, this person becomes your personal manager, and you can contact him or me anytime, and this person will be able to solve any problem if you have any at any stage. Doesn't matter if you just in the stage of selecting drilling rig, or signing the contract, or your order have been already dispatched and you have any problems with receiving documents or something else. So your personal manager will be able to help you at any stage of the order. Now let's continue with the process of selection drilling rig for individual project. The most popular question from our customers is, what's the price? What's the price on your drilling rig? Sometimes I wish we had a stable price list for entire range of our products. But the thing is that we have general price for standard configuration. And as I told you before, we work with every client individual. That's why we need to know more details of your drilling project. And according to the details, we prepare personal quotation. Sometimes standard configuration doesn't work for your region, for your country, for your individual drilling project. That's why we created the list of the details that we need to know, and which helps us to select the best option for you. And please keep in mind that as a manufacturer, we can customize any drilling rig up to your individual requirements. For example, if you watch and if you follow our Facebook page, so you must see that today there was there were several live streams, one from warehouse and other one from drilling site, and we've tested new model of cross-country of drilling rig mounted on swamp cross-country vehicle, and this model was created up to individual requirements of the customer. His desire was to have a drilling rig mounted on such vehicle because he needs to do geological explorations in the areas where regular drilling machines cannot work at all. So send us or prepare as much details as you can according to your individual requirements, and we will prepare a personal quotation for you. So it will be easier for you to make a decision and for us to offer you exactly what you need. Now I can show you several pictures of drilling with one of our drilling teams on the site. Our constant subscribers know that we arrange many drilling testing of different drilling rigs, either on our personal drilling site or live drilling with one of our drilling teams. If you watch these videos, you will see that our chief driller, Andrei, takes part in all of them. He's the head of our drilling teams. He has great experience in all types of drilling and ready to give you advice at any stage of drilling process. If you have any questions about drilling equipment, drilling process, especially when you just start to work with our equipment after receiving the order, you always can contact us, your personal manager, and get professional advice. So he's online all the time, so we can contact him immediately, explain your situation, and he will give you several options how to solve any problem. Every person who already visited our manufacturer know Andrei very well, and they know that he is ready to assist in any matter. It is very important for us to provide professional support to every client. So keep it in mind that we have great specialists working at our company who are ready to help you in any matter. Visit of our manufacturer is a great event for all the company. At the moment, right now, of course, all, as you know, all visits are stopped until the beginning of May, because of global coronavirus. But we hope that everything will, the situation will get better, and we have several, not even several, but more than 10 people already waiting for getting visa, and they will continue getting continue the procedure of getting the visa to Russia, business visa, and they will come at spring or maybe summertime. But before all this pandemic, we had like visitor almost every week, new visitor from all parts of not even Africa, but even Europe. So this visit consists of several parts. We plan every visit of every customer. So when the client arrives to Chelyabinsk city to see our manufacturer, personal manager always meet his customer at the airport and bring him to the hotel. Makes sure that the customer has no problems with accommodation at the hotel, discuss the plan for the next day. Usually we arrange all the visits. If you pay attention here, you will see that our manufacturer consists of several working shops. Actually, production facilities of BST company are located on 4,500 square meters, so it's quite large territory. The main elements for the manufacture of drilling rigs are not purchased but produced at our plant. That's why we have a metal workshop, which is engaged in production of details for support assembly, steel rollers for reinforced carriage, for example, weld ups, or as you call it, blades for beads, adapters. So it's a separate building, and it is located quite far away, almost in suburb of the city. So we need to get a permission to get to that industrial area. That's why we need to arrange the visit beforehand. Also, we have a friction welding workshop. This place is engaged in production of drilling rods of high durability. The locks welded on the pipes on special machines by friction welding, obtaining homogeneous metal without welds. So this place is located quite far as well, and we also need to get a permission to get to that industrial area. Almost everybody know our final assembly workshop because we are lucky to have it in the center of the city. It's actually one of the most popular places. We go over there every week, sometimes even several times a week, to check out what we have in stock, what was sold out, what we still have in stock, what drilling equipment has arrived. We check our orders if everything is assembled or not. So this is one of the most popular places and probably the first one where we bring our customers. There they can see the range of drilling rigs actually we have in stock. Choose any of the models for testing, and mostly the very same day we bring this drilling machine to the testing site to arrange the drilling and training. So if you watch if you check out our YouTube channel, you will find several videos of visiting our plant customers from Nigeria, from Guinea, from Zimbabwe, from most African countries and European countries, and you will see that mostly they have the same plan for visiting all these workshops step by step. For example, here I want to show you a video and feedback from one of our clients from Nigeria. First, he
has confirmed. You see?
So here you can see that we visited one of our drilling teams who works with URB2A2 model, and it was live drilling, real order for drilling water bottle with an air compressor. Here you can see second testing of small dimension with on a trailer. This is a good scene right next to our office. So here you can see three-blade bit, and then you see mud pump, water circulation condition. Dennis, as a personal manager of this client, arranged all visits to all working shops for this client, and also the visit to laboratory with one of our clients. Here you can see testing of small dimension portable rings. So we pick up our hotel and take him
Even
to
on
the
60%.
Well, you know the truck I chose now.
Yes.
So this is exactly the working shop, metal workshop, where details for secure test they are used. Steel rollers, plates, and other Here's another place where all the parts
Okay. At least
the purpose
are
perfect.
covered
Yes.
with different
the customer
paint.
they will have to wait for
That's true. We can discuss.
me.
Of course.
So here, another day, and visit friction welding workshop. You can see how deep you pursue drilling bits in a project.
Already be commissioned. Cross section thickness at one side and another thickness at
Yeah, actually, I'm very impressed. Right from the day I started, they came to pick me in the hotel and got to this place, and I saw the equipment, the machines.
Feedback.
You know,
Here is the feedback
what
from this
people say,
customer.
seeing is believing. I've come to see. The equipment are fantastic. They are good. Especially we have tested this. I was in the site. We did a drilling with this equipment. It went well into the hole. Very perfect. Very good. Also went for a live drilling at Mias, a city called Mias, and it's not far from this Chelyabinsk. The live drilling tool was perfect on the B2A2. Was very okay. It was good. Apart from
So if you decide to visit our company, be sure that we will take care of you. We'll show you everything, and you will be satisfied with our equipment, with our cultural program as well. Here is another slide with pictures. If you don't know, our location is Chelyabinsk city. It is located in South Ural Mountains. It is about 2 hours flight from Moscow. So we are not located in Moscow, but in Chelyabinsk city. And our region is rich with different minerals, and there are a lot of cultural programs during summer for tourists and for visitors. That's why everybody who visited our place during spring or summer or even autumn, we arranged a cultural program for them. For example, several customers, they went to the mountains with our managers. We also arranged different amusement program. Let's say that. So some of them decided to go to the theater. Some of them wanted to visit malls for shopping, restaurants, other facilities. So as I told you before, we have individual approach to every client, and if you come over here, we'll find out what will be the most interesting way to spend your free time over here. It will be fun. Next, I want to tell you a few words about training that BST company provides to our customers. As you can see here, as I told you, every customer or every visitor who comes to our place, we arrange free training for them at our factory. In case they place the order for the drilling rig they choose from the warehouse. Not exactly from the stock, but any model they choose. Usually we manufacture this drilling rig up to the technical specification, the final technical specification according to personal quotation. But training he can get from our company straight at the same time during his visit at our drilling site. Also, as I told you before, we have several drilling teams working around the region with different drilling rigs from our manufacturer. And if you have such a request, we can arrange the training at real life objects with these drilling teams who actually work with real orders, and you will get trained during real life drilling. This is one of our advantages over other manufacturers and suppliers of drilling equipment, because not every company will provide training for you. Keep that in mind, please. When we have visitors at our plant, training is the integral part of the program for visitors. Other great opportunity that we offer is training at customers' facilities. As you can see over here, our specialists can fly to your region, to your place, and arrange the training for your drilling team, which is actually very convenient, especially if you buy drilling equipment from our plant. It is possible that our specialists will train your drilling team to work with our equipment. And other option that we offer is that you can hire our contract drillers for long-term period to work for you. If you have such requests, just send us the details, and we can individually discuss how it can be arranged. As you can see here, one of our drilling teams went to Guinea to work with drillers of the company who ordered drilling platform URB 2A2. It was manufactured up to the sizes of the chassis of the customer. That is why our specialists had to fly to Guinea to assemble everything and to train the drilling team how to work with this equipment. So everything is possible. We have experience in that area. So if you have such request, just let us know, and we will arrange the same training for you. Here, as you can see, usually we use chassis of Kamaz or Ural truck, and here in the pictures you can see that it is Iveco truck, but the drilling platform is manufactured at BST company. It was mounted on this chassis, and everything works perfectly till these days, I guess. None of news of any troubles or problems weren't received yet from this company, so everything works perfectly. Next, we talk about methods of payments. Based on personal quotation. For you, we start prepare the supply contract. If you agree with personal quotation and your engineers, your management team agree with personal quotation and ready to place the order, we prepare supply contract, technical specification for the manufacturer, and invoice for the bank in order to make the advance payment. So payment through the bank is the most common way of payment that we can accept. We also can provide individual payment plan for you if you consider to make payments in small parts, for example, because manufacturing time of every drilling rig is different from 7 calendar days to 30 calendar days, and not every customer agrees to make payment immediately when the drilling rig is assembled. Sometimes people ask to divide the total amount in several payments. So that's possible. But recently we have run into a problem that banks in some African countries cannot arrange money transfer to Russia. That's why we made a decision to add letter of credit payment option as well. But there is obligatory conditions. Letter of credit, it should be irrevocable and covered. So we have very flexible terms of payments, and we work individually with every client. Now here you can see links to all our social media. We cover all events taking place in our company through social media. Here everybody knows, I guess, Facebook page. Only today we had several online streams, one from final assembly working shop, showing you powerful drilling rigs on crawler that actually will be tested on Monday with a compressor and DTH air hammer. The second live stream was from the testing side. You could observe our drilling rig mounted on swamp cross-country vehicle. If you look through, hold on a second. Here is our Facebook page, how it looks like if anybody or nobody knows. So here is the button WhatsApp Messenger. You can actually write a message straight away, and your message will go to WhatsApp Messenger to one of our managers. Here you can see recent updates about free delivery offer. This is the swamp buggy or drilling rig mounted on cross-country vehicle. New pictures and videos are uploaded here. Recent news, everything. So updated information here appears almost every day. So you can subscribe to this page and you will get news all the time, for sure. So here you can see our YouTube channel. YouTube channel is very popular as well. We have many different videos in different languages with overviews, with here overviews, testing, feedbacks, everything from our customers, from different companies, from managers in all languages. Everything is here. So if you have any questions regarding drilling machines, I guess you can find all answers here. Subscribe to this channel as well, and you will see all news from here. We also have our website. You probably that's the first place you visit when you search for our company. Our website has some information. I don't have it here. So if you just go to www.drill-rig.com, you will go to our website. It has some useful information such as online catalogs. You can download catalogs of our production straight from the website. In French, in English, there are presentations of our products as well in different languages. There is online chat where you can leave your message, and we will reply straight away to your message. Contact details of every manager, every personal manager is at our website, so you can use it as well. You can find very useful information at this website. And we have Instagram page. Instagram page has this account actually shows you online life of our company. Stories of manufacturing of the drilling rig from the very beginning, from the scratch, from spare parts, and until the dispatching to the customer. So some pictures that you will not find at Facebook page, you can find them here. So we work on our updates. We create this story for you, for our customers, so that all doubts will be dispelled, and you will be sure that it is easy to work with our company and our products are most reliable. And the most interesting thing for you, our special offer until the end of March. We have a grand sale from the stock of warehouse of our company. Some models are sold out already, but we still have trailer mounted drilling rigs of different configurations that can be dispatched any moment. All you need to do is contact me. We will sort out the proper model for you. We will prepare a supply contract, and it will be dispatched. You need to make one condition, actually the main one. the drilling rig is ready to be dispatched any moment. So you need to make 100% payment after we sort out the proper drilling rig for you. And we arrange the dispatching the very same moment we receive the payment. Very popular models that actually can help you out immediately to start your own business. For example, here you see GBU24M modified model, which is very popular. What's interesting about this model? Let me show you. This is GBU24L. Well, let's start. Model is modified. It is detachable from the trailer, which is very convenient. You can use it in the areas where the passage is limited, where you cannot go with the car or with the trailer. So you leave your vehicle and you take off the trailer drilling rig, so it becomes portable, regular portable drilling rig, and you can bring it to some narrow areas or to the areas where you cannot reach with the trailer. It is very convenient. So you can see here the oil station is detachable. You can take it off the trailer, and the mast is detachable as well. You see it has its own wheel, so you can move it around. It still can drill water boreholes down to 100 meters depth. It can work with mud pump and with air compressor if you have one on site. So trailer, as you can see here, is too small. It cannot accommodate air compressor as well. But here, instead of a regular mud pump, you can connect air compressor. And if you have proper equipment for drilling with air compressor, you can use it for air drilling as well. So the model is very popular, and you can see the price is only $19,000. We give you the discount of $5,000 just from BST company as a gift. We'll take care of transportation to the port of your country. We'll cover all expenses related to cargo insurance, to custom clearance here in Russia, to transportation. So you pay just the price of the drilling rig, the manufacturing price. And actually this price includes not only drilling rig, but full set of drilling equipment. Ready to start immediately. Drilling pipes for 100-meter depth included, motor pump included, set of drilling bits included, spare parts kit included, spare parts for drilling rig itself and for the engine. So you will be able to start your business immediately. You can work the whole season straight with no doubts. Then you can maintain drilling rig with spare parts and continue just making money with no stops. So we like this drilling rig, this model very much. GBU80L, as you already know, is in stock as well. We have actually 3 of them. 2 of them have been already sold, but we still have 1 in stock. It has gasoline engine of 80 horsepower, good for drilling down to 150 meters. The price includes everything as well, $26,000. and you're ready to go. You just put the fuel in and you start immediately. Who prefer diesel engines? Here is the drilling rig for you. Diesel engine of 20 horsepower and configuration reinforced, special reinforced configuration, good for air drilling. As you can see, carriage here travels along the mast on steel rollers, not on caproline plates, but on steel rollers. And the swivel here is reinforced. So plus there is a professional drilling table here. So this configuration gives you more stability and during drilling with air compressor. And the price here is, look at that, it's just from our heart. The price is straight from our heart. There is a smaller one, GBU 15L. Maximum depth is the same, 100 meters. The engine is a bit less powerful. That means that it will drill the same depth, maximum depth, the same parameters are the same, but a bit slower, just maybe a bit slower than 24L. But actually it is very, very popular among our Russian clients. I don't see the difference between GBU 24L and 15L, especially when we test these drilling machines at our drilling site. I don't see any difference. I mean, you save good amount of money, $17,000 for this drilling rig, and you still will be able to reach your goal in drilling project. The same one, but with diesel engine, which is good as well. Some countries, especially African countries, they prefer diesel engine. So let us know. It's still in stock. We still have it. So any demand will be satisfied here. Look at that. Regular GBU 24L with a gasoline engine. Our best seller, our most popular model is, we have several of them. SBU URB Mini sold out, but still we can, if you are interested in such model, we'll manufacture one for you. Just place the order, make the advance payment, and we'll manufacture such drilling rig in 30 days, 30 calendar days, easily. Diesel engine of 80 horsepower is good for any purpose, for any type of drilling. You can use it for everything. SBU 60 LS sold out. GBU 54 LS, actually SBU model, that means that is on self-propelled base, but it has two engines, 27 horsepower each, which in total gives you 54. That's why it's called 54. $24,000. It's the lowest price, trust me. Good offer for such amount of money, and drilling rig will perform perfectly in any area. Two engines, you can use even one engine during drilling water borehole, and the other one will be your security for any trouble. So you can take this drilling rig to drilling site, and you will be sure that even if anything happens, you always have another engine. If you use both of them, you will easily go through maybe hard formations. It will save you lots of time, and you will make extra money. So contact me anytime for this special offer. There are few days left, so I'll be happy to assist you, to help you to choose any drilling rig from the stock we have. Subscribe to our channels, get news from us, be the first who gets all the news from us. And here is my contact details, my phone number, and you can contact me in any messenger, WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram, Skype, even Skype. Send me your requests. We'll discuss everything, all details, and I bet you will be satisfied with the level of service you will get from us. Thank you for watching. If we have any questions,
Уже ответил на все. Писали, можешь сказать, что мы уже ответили.
I will answer all the questions after finishing, and I'll be happy to reply you in personal messenger. Stay with us, stay tuned, and don't miss our new updates, our updates on Monday. Monday will be on Monday there will be testing of self-propelled drilling rig with air compressor. There will be online stream at Facebook page, so subscribe right now, and you will get the updates from our company first.
Скажи, пишите все мне, чтобы получить бесплатную доставку на мой личный номер.
You can write me directly in order to get free delivery from our company. I will reply you immediately and we'll discuss the details with you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you.